Hello.
Hi.
I got a leaf in my hair. We are, it's Monday morning.
Yes.
We're back at the Marriott. We just had breakfast here, and that really concludes our celebrity tour. We are now on our own until tonight when we leave for the airport at 9 o'clock from JW Marriott. We paid a little extra and have the room until 8 o'clock.
It's only $45, so.
And now we also paid for a private tour to the Cloud Forest. It's about an hour and a half from the Marriott. So that's what we're going to do today. Go see some sloths and hummingbirds, I hope.
And speckled bears, I think they said would be there.
Yesterday was a long day.
Yes, very.
We had to be out of our cabins on the ship at 8
o'clock.
8 o'clock. And then we sat down in the Discovery Lounge for a few hours. And then we tendered over to the mainland.
To Balsa, it was, yes.
And got
sat in the airport for another 2 hours.
For like 2 hours.
And then flew for 2 hours.
And then when we got here, it was already what time? 6 o'clock?
It was at least 6, yes.
We changed, and they had provided a nice dinner for us. It was a beautiful dinner. I'll put some pictures up. And went to bed.
Yeah.
One thing to note is that as soon as I got here, I started getting a headache. So if there are some people who are going to have problems with the altitude here. And there's really nothing you could do. When you take anything, it doesn't work because the altitude is over 9,000 feet. So I had a headache all last weekend when I was here in Quito, and now I have a headache again until we leave tonight. And it's amazing. It just disappeared when we left Quito.
Yes, and I feel it in my chest. I feel like I can't get a deep enough breath. Like you said, as soon as we got down to the boat, it was all fine.
And I've read online that there's medicines to take, but you have to take them for 2 weeks prior to going to where the altitude is high. So if that's something you're concerned about, check into what that is. That it increases the oxygen in your blood. Maybe it would have kept me from getting a headache. I don't know.
We'll look into it if we do it again, that's for sure.
We will. So that's it. We are going to go meet our driver who's taking us to the Cloud Forest. That's the end of our trip.
I think that's it.
Thanks.
Thank you. Open, dear.
Always open.
Always open.
Oh, it's a big McDonald's.